craft, craft, craft. Craft services, craft cheese. California College of Arts and Crafts, CCAC, that's where I went to. And there's a lot of weight with that word craft. When you hear the word craft, it's like, oh, are you good at your craft? Whatever that may be. But when it comes to art, I'll use I statement. Image gets conjured in my mind of gluing Elmer's glue, using Elmer's glue to glue macaroni onto a plate with yarn. I think of yarn, Elmer's glue, and macaronis. So craft, it gets a bad rap. And yet I'm a crafter. I love crafts. I made my own dollhouse today. I'm working on a sweater that no one else has, that has hairy nipples, and I'm sewing each hair. Everything, I'm a handmade guy. I like handmade weapons, I like handmade clothes, I like handmade statues and sculptures. And I scour the internet. I look for great crafts, and I just don't see that much cool stuff. I don't know if you're up for the challenge. I don't know if you're into dioramas. A diorama is an amazing thing. Who's ever listening to me right now and you're into crafts like I am, I would like you to make, what is this right now? Just came out of me. It's a brown rainbow. I would like you to make a series of dioramas depicting Munko at different places. I want a fantasy world, Munko lost in the city, Munko lost at sea, Munko in outer space, Munko lost in a cornfield. I don't know. You don't have to do any of those. I just would love something that took time and details and it was delicate and you spent time with it and it's beautiful and I want to look at it, I want to admire it, I want to appreciate it. Will you make that? Put all your heart and soul into it. Make people love craft. People already love crafting. Make people respect crafting again. Dose of me.